Throughout the years, the natural products industry in Africa has been faced with various challenges, among which are climate change, economic insecurity, unstandardized product, lack of working policies, and ignorance, among others. On that note, Carnegie Corporation of New York through Future Africa University of Pretoria, in collaboration with Macquarie University, are organizing the first conference on reimagining the natural products industry in Africa. RNPIA 2021 is aimed at encouraging transdisciplinarity through knowledge sharing by scholars, practitioners in industry, non-government organizations, and policymakers. This meeting will bring globally immense information from drug discovery and drug design, natural products chemistry, cosmeceuticals, nutraceuticals, and pharmaceuticals, ethno-veterinary medicine, intellectual property and permit, pharmaceutical markets in Africa, climate change, policy, and governance. We envisage mutual learning and joint problem solving to create sustainable solutions for the natural products industry in Africa. We are therefore inviting participants across the globe to attend the first international conference on reimagining the natural products industry in Africa, which is taking place during 5th to 7th July 2021 at Imperial Royale Hotel, Kampala. This conference is sponsored by Carnegie Corporation of New York and Future Africa University of Pretoria.